game na nkasa de invert enya da Black Stars na obia enim wetebia Kudus Mohamed mo Thomas T Partey mo Jordan Ayew mo Inaki mo Antoine Semenyo mo. By the way, I am more or less like your U23 squad ana yede kobo sa game no. Eno yako Mexico ekodi into intena mienu Ghana yentimi antimu ba akokra. Na yada so de anopa ya Mr. Ketty Yesokraku Ghana Football Association president and so at the statement at the ababonte ewo ni Facebook handle atese what say ampa seni adodo na eka no sa pepepe na etie na wase objective accomplished. Was it this event has proven significant state exposure for the majority of our U23 players who will soon assemble for Olympic Games qualifier, and as well as other players who had limited playing time. This World Cup squad announcement is scheduled for June 1st, 2026 year. And every president say, your game now, your cowboy, something of exposure for your players are Bebo Olympic Games qualifier. And I saw that, and so your players are you bet to me at your World Cup no proper. Na World Cup announcement, and my making it clear. Na you making it emphatic. And from us, Ghana Football Association president, as a blaster squad, about 1st July. And now 1st June rather, 1st June. And now squad less, and so ba a year abontin. So any enteremo what the ama reasons in tia yadi sa players and so ekoye and also konkoda Ghana Premier League matches yanso yabo last round of matches and also etoja Ghana Premier League no teams be called relegation almost ehia so almost survive Heart of Folk ebo midieba na Bekum Chelsea abo Betem United Asante Roko ebebo Swado All Blacks but all take his game no yebeka wan semi ye pa Young Apostles ebo Samates and also kra enwi hia stars kakra Eduana ebo Vision Kawala United ebo Nesi but all and also take it Fatu of Mame ente big two crucial matches and ebeba so eyetina Asante Roko Swado All Blacks Kawala United Nesi FC. Now other matches in Biaka there, though I am mat there, but me when I biasa, baby any go stars, elbow 11 wonders as be Basakewali Stars, and Subo Dreams FC, and a year Pando out of Lions, and Subo, Omo job point to crowd that tea, one the money ye ALA league, Ebo Nemum Tima, a yes Rado All Blacks, and Nations FC. Womuna. Sisi and the year pa. Now, as I'm so weekly mo, the communicate at the bass, or my ambassador at the my close football. I'm say 2 weeks ago, and ye bedi youth football no come ye pa, and you Jude for ye do many ye. Na minim say for no mutie dia because and no man be the decision team. I'm no a legend in a person of a Samuel Jan. At the Edina was Susudria. Yamfa any a course football our Ghana ha when we are no much as a nasa team no so aka obi obobo ni ye asamaja ka ho ono sansan ye susudia onya ambassador emfa ma ye nasa aye teams ni nyina I think say ye won komodi ena no pay enti ba bia obi ata me kutu na yensa se eni nkomo no ebe padu do ebe san bia homa de abam nam so madwe kire mo de aba Josia Mama say from a league, you fan 1-1 from a league, we are and I am Black Stars na Derby, ye league, and I have Black Stars. You have Black Stars in a kakra. Okay, so Joe, when they minim some man comba, mo Derby, we crampo, you can't say. Review keke. Mo review kakra from Masana. Ya you post Martin Ankasa on the Ghana Premier League,
Honestly, before this particular game against Mexico, GF in Penifon my say this game was going to be outside of the international window. Intini the full complement of the Black Star squad. To get them to play this game. Jordan Ayew, Fatau Isaakumu, Semenyomu. Because most of them are going to play this weekend. In fact, most of them leagues no. This weekend.
Yeah.
So the assumption that some of us got was that remember the chance for more local players to play that game. If they are standout performers in that game, at least they can justify their inclusion into the World Cup squad. Afi, almost say a team no. Yes, local players 6 peneko. So I was a bit confused because Senka, this game, if you are assigning it for most of the local players, and I said was Senka, it means more than at least 10 to 15 local players going for that game. Okay. Now we saw different other players like Terry Yegbemo, Ibrahim Osman Mo, Majid Ashimeru Mo, right? Felix Afenajan, Jeshon Raksechi. All of them were added to the team, which meant now it was a mix. Local players and other players are still almost season no is in session. But we have been able to call them to come and play. That was where the confusion started for me. Until after another game, no, and listening to Ketokreku statement or the other out this morning, no, I am convinced, say, that game that we just went to play at Mexico now, you lose 2-0, no, it is an exercise in futility.
Okay.
Yeah, first game we end in the grand scheme of things. Because how can you now come and tell me, say, you are given a chance for under-23s to go and justify their inclusion for future tournaments? The impression we got was that some of the players who are playing in this game will justify their inclusion for the Black Stars at the World Cup into the squad. If you are now telling us something different, then it means that there was nothing World Cup about this game, Ayeko boy.
But in addition, when the state tournament, make here that World Cup, no. Or more time playing for the senior national team, we'll have that maximum time, no. Then we look at them very well. Then before say call up and beba, or make you a statement.
But Gabi, is one game enough to assess a player very well and determine say this player is deserving of a call up in the final squad for the World Cup? Because now he has confirmed said the squad will be announced on June 1st.
Yeah.
Which means between now and June 1st, no, on our assessment, no, and no game now a boy, no. Or anyone say how much game I boy, no? How many of the players in that game that was played against Mexico can you stick your neck out and say yeah, select your Mumfantu national team because of their performance on the night? I want the same as myself.
Yeah.
I won't even get one person because you need to say you performance no Salim Adams no. Look at the time he was brought into the game.
Okay, maybe Majid Asimeru was there. Asimeru make it brilliant.
But Gabi,
and right.
But you and I know that Majid Asimeru, this is not the first time he's playing for the Black Stars.
Okay, into no crowd and conca. Okay.
But for injuries, everybody knew say whether hook or crook, that Asimeru should be in the team because in terms of creativity, he's there. Everybody knows that he should be there, but for the injuries, this season answer that M1 Okobo ni loan La Louvière. Afina so warm me back into himself. But Salim Adams, you know the conversation around the boy. His performance for Mediama this season, sterling performance. And we all expected, say, in this game against Mexico, no, at least from the lineup, he will be in the first 11. Then we will get to watch him, and then Ghanaians will be convinced, say, with this player we are looking at, and with his performance in the Ghana Premier League, you did say, Oko World Cup Nibia Ebeye. But look at the time Salim Adams came into the game.
Okay.
So when I say that I didn't see anything that is World Cup like about this performance or this game, I think I'm justified to say that. Because you cannot tell me, say, after what we saw last night, we can confidently say, Asimesi, anyway, you deserve to be in the Black Star. I don't think we can make that conclusion. You need to make it our conclusion. So I am quite disappointed because to me, it looks as if we had other reasons why we played this game against Mexico.
So don't you think, say, players now you more opportunity to prove themselves where they say the Omoko World Cup no? And no more prove you wrong, say any can see do be ako. Per the way we see canon no. E moment konko say match na e boy no na ebia the way ananka say ye ana anye. Don't you think say players nanga?
You see, the placement of the friendly match at this time is what is the problem. Because if you want to assess a team very well, you don't use one game to assess them. You can't use one game. It's not enough. And between now and Wales game, in fact, Yabeba Wales game on 2nd June, World Cup's going to be 1st June. It's by that time, not obia who stance. Say ebia me kobi anasa me nkobi. But to play the game at this time, look at the fact that Carlos Queiroz was not even on the bench. That even convinces me more. Say, this is not a Black Stars exercise. It is more of an under-23 exercise. Because Carlos Queiroz was not available. FA4 say he's out for personal reasons. Personal reasons, so we don't know the personal reasons. His first 2 assistants are not available.
Jeff, me pacho my Kurt statement it was Queens no so na me ye from ye dia na Kurt pese oche na say me ankasa kra me ni Joshua Olutu so nya adwene because Kurt make emphatic on the nra dia na ye o park do so be Joe so no do say how you see it, but from the FA president akasa I say another exercise na ye no. Black Stars 1. Number 2, ye U23 for your future games and when him say with that your problem aya come no. Ye ni option bia dan sa match we pe. What you say? Ye ni match bia dan sa match we pe.
Question me bisani say. Is it enough an assessment? Okay, Kurt has said 2 things. Or say for World Cup preparation, under 23 for future use. Are we convinced enough that performance now you hear and way against Mexico is enough for us to justify anybody from that team in the World Cup? That's my question.
Jude
per the statement FA president issue and many are joining baby ama many are joining or per se or the boba kukun mami. Now say offer metimini Joshua say but issue ni me pacho unfortunately na o some kasa na me ododo me mentimi anhwe game ni
yeah
but me hwe social media any yankasa multimedia ye bra Gary Smith adia one minute nanim say for now Ghana nipa baako a ye nyina ye nim say all World Cup Benjamin Asare me one
yeah
Asare ko da ho all na Benjamin Asare for instance yenim say you try now we prove it so level but now sounds here game be a was soro no be to say Asare yenim so kato ani te kra na Black Stars no for now one number 1 goalie kra na at least first 2 there okay. So you needed to try somebody like Benjamin Asare in post.
Okay.
And Enra per the mimi who in the say assassin or your mistake be.
Yeah.
But after it, no, yes, so
or recover. Yeah.
So penalty saves.
Yeah. For that one.
And to go anya biano abua a certain Benjamin Asare. Ye nim say you need the luxury of time at our disposal. Over trying other matches.
Yeah.
And this is a huge game. So Uno be say Benjamin Asare now try and say abua. Meaning but your point. Asare is a Black Star material. It is a president can from that perspective many be agene. Unya ba kumpo mu aye say ya assess or more because Black Stars no ye nim say about 95% no team maybe at hodada. John Bacho when you
but by now but you also agree with me say when say initially not Benjamin Asare and squad no
initially no come ya when Solomon Agbeshi
Solomon Agbeshi and Dreams FC goalkeeper no
and Gideos Asiakun right yeah
but the reason I'll bear muno say Asare bebe because he himself for now no me patrol Solomon Agbeshi in World Cup a fact and ya de obeko
yeah
Agbeshi for local Black Stars and a Benjamin Asare for the Black Stars proper. Enti uhia Benjamin Asare. So obesan so attesting here. Because baby a year kono bro. O kwa ko boy against Hurricane mo. Ah no ojina baby obetimi shoot to Asaw. And Asare is a very good goalkeeper. But national team handler snippers almost say 100% convinced. Say corner there or but
on your high profile game.
On your high profile game, where Bema coach and the guard say, look, yes, a game I say mention say with Asare.
Yeah. Which is why my memory will quickly.
Okay, bro.
Which is why I don't understand why. Okay, fine. Adentina yewo this kind of agenda to assess Benjamin Asare. But we don't have Carlos Queiroz on the bench to watch for himself.
But okay,
many a good question again. But on him about issue of goalkeeping, Krana. I am your head coaches. A Juma, I know I'm selected a goalkeeper's trainer and our trainers. And he say head coach Kraniwa, any problem. Definitely goalkeepers trainers, no. And the report, my head coach Carlos Queiroz say this is the performance of Asare. Based on reason A, B, and C, Fatah Odauda mo decide in the back. Said ye who Asare huni. Into normally goalkeeping department there, I am na head coaches no. Bromba chonya point. A very good question na webisa. But say yen goalkeepers trainers for honoma. That shouldn't be an issue.
Also, the reason why I'm asking this question is because GFA man reason for the absence of Queiroz. And when we have something like this,
I did the two screens on Carlos Curiosity.
He's absent for personal reasons. Mother specific reason.
Okay.
But Gabi, you and I know that we are not in normal times. It is a who ye be now when him say a question beba ho a. Ye ni ye.
Many am batch only mother wadaroma. Unim enya all the time engineer say technical team. Enya all the time now betimi enya obia on board, particularly the head coach. Sometimes your name may be all crana. Set trust, communication, be a chemistry impono. A toda mpona nka head coach or home pa. Your name may be on one also Jaidema or assistant. Now would you input eba? But Jaina says how crano in your absence, no. Betting my technical team and yet just one person. So even with the departure of Carlos Queiroz, I no uncited a specific reason. Which meteormas reason tell meteormas and say yeah personal. Personal, no, it mean a lot of things.
Okay.
Be on my indeed personal. And you be also head coach, no. If a private matters one obi Bromba Chawati say be na near Capep Guardiola di.
Yeah.
Carlos Queiroz nzu nipa. Fancy for instance when you're broken heart. Yentima mechanic and yemu. And obiane how open life. So almost a personal. Yenti wanna say a personal.
But at such a crucial time,
yes, bro. Crucial time doesn't imply that we couldn't have personal issues. You get it? Regardless, personal issues, any issues, everybody. Maybe tia say no. Say na man kenti man come into me medjuma. But what I say?
Yeah.
Regardless, any personal issues there. Enim time in be onon de onim. Eba bromba what I say. Intimate was say. Michitum. However, yeah, appreciate the almost air cash rain.
Nah,
me feel said the bottom line is
yeah, when you say crap. Joe, mami, area war no na insili intimi kwenem. Anya we kla selection ya di kwe players ya ho. Se ya Carlos Queiroz. Ene offer nim players no more than Carlos Queiroz.
Perfect.
So that justifies what I'm saying. Say, let's not expect any player from the game yesterday to be in the final squad. Let's not expect even more than 3 or 4.
And we are the from Nhyira game, no, right?
Yes, and what we are hearing about the purpose for the game. Let's not expect say Abia performance ninti. Yeah, the way because we don't even have the luxury of selecting any player from yesterday's performance into the final team.
Many am bacho ma de wadaroma. Yeah, I'm final squad the June.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
The point is that bacho you ask yourself say. So you bet me just one game yeah boy so suddenly because Black Stars team no call no know it. About 90% of players
from and for that we know.
But also
Matthias here.
And the say overnight be just one game. And no Eddie bibi strong ko omo yomu bibi ato program plan players are here from no bibi ada honum dada. Tina make say Asare would be called because yenim say Asare eko. For Asare oh here say best assess no thoroughly when me betimi aka say in future
okay.
What they mention and you betimi describe be a president and said that answer any mamu ye bebre because on person timing into on person be discourage you
na ababe ye nsem
he into munim say one tua ya media ne so I don't know kind enya bone but you betimi atwist ade na amana kwa ko mean different thing altogether say and to him say boys no mo kwa ko bono mo form nkonko blasters no
and
but me no na as a journalist in him say ye players dada me pa choti them at least about 90-95% of the players ye nim omo kodada.
The reason why
it shouldn't really be an issue.
I get you.
Me feel say Meteors you no cry na see a born abaso.
Yeah.
Also see a born. Yes, I'm afraid no. You infuse our talents no so that they bet me access omo. I don't know a good me shine from that perspective more.
No, I'm say the reason why I'm pointing all of these things out and say Ghanaians generally wanted to know specifically the reason for Enra game. Because the general perception was that after that game, we would have realized some talents and some standout performances. Which is why I said in my earlier premise, why was Salim Adams kept on the bench for that long?
Okay.
Because even in the game against Mexico, Salim Adams did so well. And we know that he's the standout performer in the Ghana Premier League. Ghanaians in their minds, that was the thing that they were looking forward to.
Okay, so
just 2 minutes be any deal. Share unim. Say Enra Benjamin Asare eje ne samba meboa. Obi abona baso.
Yeah.
So you have to folk penyina wani beje meboa. Me kan mo asem wan na no pomunti asem na me no mo kan yiye. Enkomo na ye di ni yiye. Bro, ye frɛ ye no ye nya goalkeepers too. Omo na afri he. Hat of folk.
Okay.
Ye nya hat of ti asem ni yo bro. Ye nya hat of goalkeepers too. And na omuwom on Benjamin Asare won Solomon Agbeshi so on wani age and about a start and not the performance no die they no me patcho ye ball no way
ye born Mexico
and na ye bought the name Benjamin Asare ho and e bia omo media na kra be carry story no be assess boy no ye boy no me patcho 18 be din ye bought
hat of folk din
so wo jo fans ho o to hat of folk ho no mu ye ketre wo se papa onti ase na wo aso ye dey ti se mrekete won say goalkeeping department and awo defense me sure say to beti one ani beje meboa
and no mu nyina so die
that's my boy. Oh yes, Benjamin Asare fantastic goalkeeper me ye papa tobe nani beje Solomon Agbesi the same ofa Asare alfa Agbesi so obi ebo so obi ani age ofa papa na enye na mpa papa no ene Asare ni ho a Agbesi da oda wo yemo nseso meboa
no point na o make ban
so won baby America kwa kosi o kwa fa papa na wo twetwe na ase ye friend national team me am for player nso a na mu blame FM panyimfo
me wa so wan fa player
wan fa papa e be da ni afro mo
okay
wan fa papa wo si am friend first na me bo asante kotokone ha to folk yetimi do omu players nko ano first no na nye kotokone as players ana na e bo national team Eje Africa ni na amaye. Eba ni say. Meba time I had to focus in Nigeria, a boy Celestine Babayaro, Taribo West. That time the whole Africa there was no defender. When him saw Osai Sofo. France Osai Preachy, Taribo West. Ufa papa na cry man no Osai Kofo any chance Taylor mono. South time no. So na omuna na born national team.
Yeah.
We had less than 2 or 3 players and almost 3 different clubs joining. Na eba ni say wanya wunyama ye panyiniti ase se se ani brani e kase has fa papo gitum se ye boaw ade nti ne ye boaw Benjamin Asare be ko World Cup obesa ne ho nkwan Asare clear obvious say after World Cup no omma pacho otie e dey has be ton no so obejis ka chichiri die but when say wati unsuro because there's a certain Solomon Agbeshi do baby kra manfo mpo hu ne say yes Asare is a standout keeper but ultimate ne compare ne man ye bi mo nso mpo feel say Agbesi cry better than Asare meboa
yeah say anything na mo mienu nyina ko
ho minia when you 2 goalkeepers who say an monyam say kese pa de ma has when you 2 goalkeepers goalkeeping department omo mienu ya from blasters dey ka de cho e kire say tutu niam yi enkonkofo obi akeke memo obi ambese ha to folk jesi ne keke eye say de ka na be braw ubewie nso ade nim guase ubewie na edrume me no tie anom housekeeper Richmond ayi who said be na manfo osu na manfo otwa adwajo okoye no kaka iche na oka this powder ne kogu no against Karela odi gu nyina na oji goals ba wo fa papa no aboa wo enti yesrem panyimfo and unimade how to fucking time pass no oba national team wa goalkeeping department tell you omudi o okay Samia J okay
Amamo
Emmanuel Masiniga because they say no goalkeeper but me make like so umpodi we be mo quality Ofa papa na no ne nsu betimi make a case for you say master
say James Nano
James Nano
Nano so Eben ama say na make am
Eben Amadida
yeah
for papa bra for papa ebua ma wawa sunjo and ebedru baby no trust you me because has this season for instance Oshaya well consider the least number of goals here
just so good and good defenders
saves are yes saves are not Abrante we Benjamin Asare agbesin so by saves oba be no den so obesa has what's up for quality center backs o dey Ali Mohammed dey be American Ali Mohammed so what's the Ali Mohammed dey bobola et say dey o Joado
yeah
the ball no pepe very unassuming tinchina twa ochina enche o ball hunya nsanso when Ali Mohammed any Abrante we pair our partnership share on it PK you'd love to watch them national goalkeeping department akono bro and imagine say anka wani mu honom no say we ya niam yi a
yeah
anka untimi valid
ya kan omumfi
na mama so dey to say mrekete no say we ya niam yi o kan na panyina mu na media mi mu na no me mfa hu ya ne ya trap to because me lead even demonstration against Hasbot so okay last 2 seasons and here the san niam we dey mfa hu ya be kan okra trace for quality obi ntan wo ya go 4 seasons how to folk unje lake o te honom ayo ofe someone texted Giano Atro, congratulations, my boys. Congrats. Someone texted no Atro, bro, for come na de come some text. Na me dear me, where about Traco? Say Chroma prepare to ya tro bro for we. I can see a baby piano de ama me dear ma. Ye be pia de man. Baby any go stand say Jena wo Troko. Who dia won jibi? Who na the whole un dia bro. The only West African club I watch proper treble you had to focus. Mo pamun check West African club. Sorry, mo pamun check team sir. Mo watch proper treble Africa. How spending the only West Africa. Oba be fa Ali. Mo na offer USM Orges mo. Na mo pa on mo said am pena mo fan to so mo be hu. How spending the only team from West Africa where we need their friend proper treble. That is the Champions League.
2004, 2005.
That is the Champions League. No, me put them in one season.
Okay.
The last coach from Ghana, ultimately best coach in Africa. How to focus? Cecil Jones had to go with you. No, the Munshadi, and the team yes, sir. Best and Robian team from West Africa, proper treble. How to focus? And I yes, I didn't know, bro. What the Champions League? What the FA Cup? What the a league? In one season, why sign your money?
Okay,
so the Indiana me don't know me so unim say has World Club Championship and Kobeko say Real Madrid do. World Club Championship na maso no. SC me too because no mo squad no abin aboma. I man no say Kufo to me captain. Na no say Kufo na bro me kai Ghana ene Liberia. The Ghana and Nigeria, the Liberia for bufu ya na Liberia and Nigeria no be a bit me qualify for World Cup. Oh my boy, train no mo see the oil. Akwa exchange no 2002 World Cup no. Minia. Okay, so I could for the general captain. Yeah. Local player, had to for player or captain Black Stars. And who foreigners or also captain and quality. Hassan Kotoko, you are noted for that. And the has any elbow about Benjamin Asari France neba neba. Yabeka Agbesin so dear. And every department for Papa. Oh for Papa bro metro. Papa na kanimu na no mun metro strategy. Nanse what steady players I am has echemanso. Nkoso fo no mom na echemanso no dey steady. Nkoso fo no man we ba benenam krom ha. Oba de nyansa. Akwa na ofri Nigeria no de nkoto dwe no problem no. And the agent no ede has assign call FIFA sa the agent no kwa na madam fo. Me pa ne chwa. Ye hu ina mama ni lawali. Shadio ye hu no de has edu FIFA. Me boa. Ukofa nkoso na oni mare ho sem. Ubeboka o. Ubeboka na wie no omo ba no omo abeji skakakaka. Onye hwe ma hwe akwa we
Jude Premier League.
O de mati wase.
Premier League.
Ye beba ne bo season we are
ye na ye adwuma ni ye ye season so I was here I Nhyira FM so ne asempa